Alright guys, it's me, Peter String back here again, and I'm just going to show you a quick update of what I've done with that broken sale I got. That home base light that broke. So what I've done now, we've cleaned up most of the glass, as you can see. There are still some shards that need to be picked up there. We'll do that later on. But what I've done, as a replacement, since I have £3 crackable solar lights, I've put one of them over here. I could have used tape on the home base one, but tape wouldn't work. It would make it, because the cracks were too large to be fixed. So this one is now in its place as a replacement. I'll do a video of what this looks like in its new home when it turns on. Yeah, it looks really nice, yeah. And now all three of them match. I don't know why that one's leaning, but well. But yeah, at least we fixed it now. So now I prefer the panel ones because they're better built now. So I like panel and silhouettes better now, so than home base silhouettes now. So yeah. The lantern still is okay, at least it didn't. When it dropped, the lantern was okay, which is good to see. But yeah, at least we've managed to get. At least I've got a spare water light to replace it. Kept it over there until we needed it. So I expected the home base one to fail, and it did. So. And actually it broke, so yeah. So that's the replacement for the home base solar light. Anyways, I'll show you what's left of it now. It's now in the trash. It's going to be recycled tomorrow. So what's left of it is where I've put it. In there, so it's in there. Let's make it recycled tomorrow morning. Yes, our wee bin is overflowing, please excuse it. Got wasps. There's a wasp over there, my worst enemy. I hate them. I'm breaking the wasp actually, because I want to go near a wasp. But the remnants of that solar light are now in one of the bins, so it's gonna. Yeah, it does happen. But at least I've got a replacement for it, which is the main thing. So if it didn't, then I would be quite unhappy because I'm not buying any more solar lights for now. As you can see. I've got to still pick up these pieces of glass because the dogs are getting their feet. Okay, so yeah, that's what I've done. So solar light's going to replace the home base one. So thanks for watching and bye guys for real.